Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to mute notifications for live videos on Instagram Web using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been getting too many alerts when someone goes live, this simple setting will help you stay focused and keep your notifications under control. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram Web. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home page, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different preferences. Next, find and select Notifications. This section allows you to control what kind of alerts you receive from Instagram. Inside Notifications, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see different categories for notifications you can customize. Scroll down until you find the Live Videos option. This is where Instagram controls alerts for live streams from people you follow. To stop receiving these notifications, simply choose Off under the Live Videos section. Once selected, your changes are saved automatically.